Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in what situation companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Wipro, Cognizant can terminate employee based on violation of code of conduct and background check or background verification. What is basically code of conduct and what all they check in background verification, that we will be discussing in this particular video. So friends, every company will be having one PDF file on their website for code of conduct. Okay, and if any employee is seen violating this code of conduct, then they will be terminated from the company. So we will discuss in detail. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, because you will be getting the awesome content on our channel regarding hiring preparation and interview experiences. Okay, now, so friends, what is this code of conduct and what actually happens in background verification? How many months the background verification will be conducted? Each and everything will be shared with you. So friends, let us understand what is code of conduct. So in a very layman term, I am going to explain you, okay? Because if you read their document, you will not be able to understand much, and it will create a lot of confusion if you go through their documents. Okay, now, so in a layman term, beginner terms, I will explain you. So if you joined the company, okay, and if found sharing the project related information in public or any confidential information in public, confidential information like your salary slip. So if you are sharing your salary slip in public, that also is a code of, in a violation of code of conduct. So do not share any kind of project related information or any confidential information of the company in the public forum, like as I said, salary slip. Okay, now friends, once you join the company, okay, so many times you will see, so employees will be sharing their ID card, the credentials, so all those things again comes under code of conduct. Okay, so do not share your ID card with someone. Okay, or in many cases what happens, so because many companies has a swipe in system, so the employee will be giving their ID card to someone else to swipe in or swipe out. But in that case, there are many employee who has been terminated. So please do not share your ID card or your credentials to anyone, right? Okay, sexual harassment at the office premises. I know you guys are very, very good and you will not do this. But again, this comes under code of conduct. So any kind of sexual harassment at the office premises. So I mean, if you are using any vulgar language, or if you're any vulgar talk with any of the female employee or male employee, however it is, so that comes under sexual harassment, so female to male or male to female. So that again you do not have to do, that comes under code of conduct. Okay, now friends, and what happens in background check, so that I will tell you. So basically you fill a form, okay, and then you get placed and you will be having multiple offers in your hand, right? Suppose if you have got an offer from TCS, you have got an offer from Infosys, you have got an offer from Wipro. Okay, now, so what will happen? Definitely you are going to join only one company. So company do not do background verification before you join, because they spend so much of effort, so much of money on background verification, and out of all this you are going to join only one company. So your background verification happens once you join the company. Okay, so once you join the company, then only your background verification will start. And this background verification might take 3 to 6 months. Okay, so company will not be doing the background verification by themselves. So TCS will not do the background verification by TCS team. Okay, so it will be given to a third party. Okay, it will be given to a third party and then they will be doing the background verification. Okay, now, so in background verification, what all they will check? So definitely your documents will be checked thoroughly. Okay, so your documents will be checked thoroughly. And now see, documents, if we'll talk about TCS and other companies, so these documents will be checked on your joining date only, because for document you don't need a third party. So documents will be checked on the very first day when you join the company, and so that if you have less percentage criteria and all, then you will not be able to continue in that particular company. Okay, now, but many of the company like Infosys and all, they do even the document verification at the later stage, and that is the reason, so after the training there are many employees who are getting terminated from the Infosys, right? Okay, so fine here. So if you are submitting any kind of fake document and fake experience certificate, okay, you will be also knowing that Accenture has terminated, Accenture has fired 10,000 plus employees, right? So for submitting the fake experience certificate or the fake documents. So please do not submit any kind of things, because in background verification it will be getting caught. I will tell you a few things here at the end of this video. Then if you are involved in any kind of criminal activity, or if any case is filed on you, then that also you will be, that will lead to the termination, that will come in background verification, because a criminal cannot work in a ethical companies, right? Now, then education gap. So if you have education gap of 2 years, 3 years, and if you have mentioned 0 years, while filling the forms or in all the information, that also will lead to the termination. So if by any reason, if BGC fails, then definitely you will be terminated from the company, but they will give you chance to explain all those things. And background verification, background check happens only after you join the company. Okay, now, so in case of Accenture, the employee were working from long time, like you can say like more than 6 months, more than a year, and then all this scam came into picture. I will explain you basically what happened. So during the COVID pandemic time, definitely, okay, so during the COVID pandemic time, so if we talk about 2020 or 2021, okay, what happened, there was huge requirement of the employees. Okay, so there were huge requirement of the employees, so they started hiring, and they did not check the documents properly. Okay, so even their HRs or their team, so they were not able to check properly because there was huge requirement, and then they were hiring to get their work done. And later stages, okay, so background verification will generally take 3 to 6 months. But when the recession is there, okay, so when the recession is there, when there were no much projects, then all the companies started finding some and the other reason. And there was one reason which was found by Accenture, is checking the document again, okay, doing the background verification, and they were easily able to remove 10,000 plus employees without, see, this act taken by the companies is definitely valid here. Okay, because in many people are supporting it. Okay, so employees should not work with the fake experience. But why there was so much delay? Because when company wants, they won't check all those things. When they don't want, they will start checking all those things. Okay, so the similar thing happens in other companies cases also. So this is a small information about code of conduct and background verification, which you have to keep in mind. And if you like this video, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click on bell icon, so that all the information, the important information will be delivered to you in a very short video. Thank you.